It's bath time at the Winga Elephant Conservation Camp, and these baby pachyderms are clearly enjoying themselves. But they have a sad backstory. All 6 of them are orphans. 2 lost their mothers to disease, the other 4 to poachers. Now, camp staff are the closest thing these elephants have to a maternal influence. The Forestry Ministry estimates that Myanmar's once robust wild elephant population has dwindled to about 2,000, plus an estimated 5,000 in captivity. Government statistics say 59 elephants were found dead last year. Most of them had been poached. Elephant poaching has spiked in Myanmar due to a surge in demand for elephant skin in China, where it is believed the skin has medicinal properties. Earlier this year, Myanmar's government issued a plan aimed at preserving the elephant population for the next 100 years and beyond. But for these orphans, it's too little, too late.